Let fx is equal to e raised to the 3x is the function. The line L is tangent to the curve at 0, 1 point. You have to find the equation of that L line in the y equal to mx plus c form. For finding that, first you need two things. First is slope of the tangent line and also 1 point lying on that curve. So point is already known to us. We just need the slope of tangent line at that point. See, if we have this curve as like y equals to e raised to the power 3x looks like this, we have to choose a point 0, 1. So let's say this is that point where x is 0 and y is 1. Now I need to find the equation of this tangent line at this point 0, 1. In order to find that, I need the slope. What is that slope? If we have the fx value, which is e raised to the power 3x in this case, the f prime or the derivative gives us the gradient of tangent line. That's how we can find the slope. So gradient of tangent line. In this case, we have to differentiate it. What is that? Here you have e raised to the power something. So its derivative is what? E raised to the power that's something same. But you have to use the chain rule because it is not x. So you have to take the derivative of 3x also. This is called chain rule. I'm using chain rule to get my answer here. Okay. For the derivative of e raised to the power x, it is simply e raised to the power x. But if you have derivative of some e raised to the power any other function, let's call it g function, g of x. So the derivative will be e raised to the gx as it is, but you have to multiply this thing with the derivative of gx, which is g prime x. So here I'm doing the same thing. I have e raised to the power 3x, then I have to multiply it with the derivative of 3x, which is 3 only. So finally I got 3 times e raised to the 3x as my gradient of the tangent line or the slope of the tangent line at any point. But we don't need at any point, we need at a specific point which is 0, 1. So f prime x when the point is what? 0, 1. It means in place of x put 0 and in place of y put 1. So here we can simply substitute 3 times e raised to the power 0. E to the power 0 becomes 1. So the gradient is 3 only. Hence we got the gradient or the slope of tangent line. Now after getting the slope, we need to find the equation of the line. So y equals to mx plus c is the equation of line where m is called the gradient or the slope and this c is the y-intercept, right? So if we have a point 0, 1, what is that? 1 is the intercept here, y-intercept. Because if you substitute x0, y value is 1. That shows y-intercept. So here the c value is 1. So we got y equals 3 times x plus 1 as the final answer. Some students feel difficulty in applying the concepts to the question. Sometimes they get stuck. So I'm going to tell you how to apply those concepts in the questions. I'll make it very easy for you. So if you are in middle year program, IBDP, MAI, HL, SL, MAA, HL, SL, AP Calculus, AB, BC or any engineering math course, feel free to connect with us. You can contact us using this WhatsApp number or you can call us using this. You can also scan this QR code with WhatsApp to get connected with us. You can join our courses with flexible timings and one-on-one or group sessions are available or custom exam preparation where either you can choose for the full year course or few classes for your exam preparation. So scan the code, book your free demo today.